careful here, because there's a fucking annoying trophy.
Oh, it's the end.
And I'm talking a very, very annoying.
What's the point in time to do there? There's nothing to collect.
No, you did collect quite a bit, just.
Huh?
You did actually collect quite a bit, just. Your bolt all of a sudden just shut up.
Nope.
Yeah. Oh, you getting there, James?
Yeah.
You'll be there soon.
Very soon.
What's the trophy for?
What?
It's up here.
Is he doing a shield thing?
Yeah, run.
Oh shit.
Oh, sorry, Chris.
It's okay.
I thought I had my reflect on. I'll do the shielding. You just someone do the thing.
Ready?
Yeah, just someone do it. My shield's off. And yet somehow Chris got hit.
Yeah, I hit the little guy, not the big fat James.
Pick on someone your own size.
It's the way it works.
Where's the reflector thing?
Why don't you stand here so it doesn't move you? They didn't make this very well, did they?
No.
So
There's a bolt up there. Hang on, guys. There's a bolt. James, get your shield on.
I
Jump in
can
the middle.
slow time down.
Right,
Where's
go
the
up, 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 up. Top. Right, stop.
Oh yeah, they're behind him.
Yeah. James!
Shit, sorry. I didn't even think about it.
I can't believe I missed this one as well. Yeah,
How the hell did you miss that one?
I don't know. There's still a few I've missed.
Our planet's entire history is a fraud. You're part of it.
Right, leave this to me. Hang on.
Multiple reflectors. I think we
Yeah,
need two people.
no. You see these bits of glass?
Hmm.
Do not touch them with the laser beam, otherwise you're going to screw yourself over with a trophy.
You want me to slow it down?
We're leaving it to
No.
you anyway. I think you hit a piece of glass.
Yeah, you can hit a piece, just make sure it doesn't reflect off and hit a like pylon.
Gotcha.
Like this one here.
Whoa.
Right, James, equip your reflector.
I don't have.
You
I'm
do?
stopping it.
Right,
Where
use
is-
your analog and press R1 or L1 until you're on 3 little thingies. It's the one
yeah,
at the very
reflector.
top, yeah.
Am I supposed to push it back?
No. Chris, come back up
Chris,
here.
what are you doing?
Right, and you, James. No, up here, up
It
here.
doesn't hurt you.
No,
Alright.
Chris, you need to come back up here.
Okay.
Right, James, out of the way. Right, James, go over there
Oh, I see.
and use your reflector. But aim it up carefully because you do not want to hit the glass. Start aiming at the cliff first.
I can't choose where I aim.
No, you have to position your body. Okay, I'll do. Right, Chris, out of the way.
lucky.
James, you reflect it to me.
I can.
Well, one of us. James, just stand in the way, I think.
Yeah, you do it.
Oh no, Chris. Yeah.
Oh, so you have
Turn
the
a little
whole.
bit.
God damn it! I didn't even know that. I was like just tapping it.
Now this is the hard part. Yeah, save your ammo. Oh, I guess you can't reflect. Nope.
Should I just shoot him with the thingy?
No, I'll shoot him.
Don't break the glass!
Right, hang on. Just move it a very tiny bit.
Will this start to hurt me?
Hang on. No, it won't.
Oh.
Right.
Where am I moving it to? Oh, like there.
No, oh, I can try it.
I can do it further.
Hang on, no.
You're hitting the glass.
Yeah, I can hit the glass as long as it doesn't reflect off to destroy the pylon.
Okay.
Right. No, I'm gonna hit the glass there. I think.
What if I stand on the glass? Therefore, it won't. Damn it!
You ain't hitting it.
I know I'm not close enough
just-
down.
Yeah. Do we have unlimited uses of this shit?
Whoa. What happened?
Oh, wrong thing. Did you reflect it from the glass?
No.
How the hell are we supposed to do this one? Oh, we need 2 people.
Yeah. Right, James, out the way. I need someone to reflect it at me. Chris, watch out for the glass.
Reflecting at you.
Right, just...
Huh?
Right, reflect it.
No!
That's the trophy gone.
What?
Who did that?
Chris by accident. He was trying to get it to me, but it reflected off the glass.
The main tool.
Oh well.
Chris, I never forgive you.
This one is the most annoying on the game as well. Yeah, by the way, we need to come this way. Oh, we've got to turn the fucking field off first. Right, James, come this side.
What? I'm doing the thing.
No, you need to do this one. Right. Up there, James. Chris, can you come circle this?
Why are we doing it this way anyway? We can just use the glass now.
And what are we going to reflect this off?
Oh.
Yeah, you need to step back there. Step back a tiny bit.
What? Oh. Telling me to step back. Shooter needs to do it.
Just do the same beam, just do the same beam. Oh. Not helps me. No way, no way. Move off there. There you go. Alright, we're gonna get another part of the rhino.
If we make it.
I'm not so sure about that.
You got me.
See, there's a beak.
That's not a beak, that's his chin.
Chin my ass.
That's his chin.
Where's his mouth?
On his chin.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I've already released him. Bye, Craig.
I thought you collected me.
Oh wow, that was quick.
I was a second off. Well, not even that, I was a millisecond off. Right, okay, I'll do that. Go!
Don't have me fall this time.
Got it.
Nice. No, you didn't! No, you didn't! No, you didn't!
What? Yeah, I did.
Not properly, you didn't. You have to hold it. Yeah, they get more confusing. Right, run.
You didn't have to hold that one.
That's that one.
Alright, I'm holding
Right,
it.
hold it. Me and Chris will somewhat carry on.
And done.
Yeah.
Now what?
We're away.
Where am I firing you to?
I don't know. Hang on. Ah.
Don't worry, stick with me.
Shoot me, shoot
Oh
me.
shit!
No, you killed. Oh no way!
All 3 of us jumped up.
Wow. To be
The first one
fair,
was bouncy. The first one was bouncy. I think I can speak for everyone when I say we thought the second one would be 2.
Bouncy.
well, to be fair, I didn't jump off. I was kind of dragged off.
What
Bye,
the hell?
Chris.
My triangle won't work.
Now I need Chris respawn. Chris, over here.